Starting a company in Romania. The top 3 mistakes. Here's how to do it right. If you've ever considered starting a company in Romania, you've likely heard about the country's exceptionally low taxes or the relatively low wages for hiring employees. Compared to Western countries, costs are just 1/3, even for qualified full-time employees. One unique feature in Romania is the 1% tax on annual turnover for corporations with a revenue cap of 500,000 euros. This can be increased by founding up to 2 additional companies per owner, allowing the tax burden to remain at 1% for revenues of up to 1.5 million euros annually. Anything above this threshold is taxed at 16% on the profit. Once the threshold is reached, the 16% profit tax only applies to the amount exceeding the limit. But there are pitfalls to avoid, whether you are setting up a company remotely from your home country or planning to move to Romania. Let's explore the 3 biggest mistakes that can occur when starting a company in Romania and how to do it correctly. Mistake 1. Starting a company without employees. If you don't hire full-time employees, you will automatically fall under the 16% profit tax category. Hiring an employee with a minimum salary of 700 euros gross per month has 3 advantages. 1. Salaries in Romania are approximately 3 times cheaper than in other Western countries. This means you can hire well-trained staff at 1/3 of the cost, while employees deliver real value creation. 2. By hiring a managerial employee with a designated salary, you ensure recognition and approval by authorities. 3. The greatest reward. With just 1 employee, you can pay only 1% tax on your company's entire turnover in Romania. Essentially, it's almost tax-free. It's hard to beat this. It's a win-win situation. Mistake 2. Setting up the company locally. Most incorporation agencies offer companies in multiple countries. The major drawback here is that such agencies typically lack specialization, which can lead to poor implementation and support. A one-stop shop for global company setups often prioritizes reach over quality. Typically, 2 notary appointments are required in your home countries, within your local city. A sworn translator from the Romanian Embassy must also be present for these appointments. Only with GoEU, we have a senior lawyer with notarial authority who replaces the need for an on-site notary appointment. This means the entire incorporation process can be completed remotely without the need for travel. Once your company is established, we recommend traveling to Bucharest just once to open a corporate bank account. Mistake 3. Hiring a poor tax advisor. From our years of experience, one of the biggest challenges when starting out in Romania is the poor quality of bookkeeping and tax services. We initially worked with several well-known Romanian accounting firms, but the results were almost universally disastrous. While a chief accountant might handle things reasonably well, due to low wages in Romania, you're often assigned junior accountants who lack sufficient knowledge and make significant mistakes. These mistakes are rarely malicious, but can be very costly in the long run. At GoEU, we solve this problem. We work with a state-registered tax advisor in Romania who operates almost exclusively for our clients. They have a deep understanding of international tax law, proactively inform clients about tax changes, and work strategically with them to plan their company's roadmap. If you're considering starting a company in Romania, these are the key mistakes to avoid. Partnering with true experts ensures that your company formation process is smooth and efficient. For more information, check the video description. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.